Everybody sits around. I get the egg. You start running away. I throw it at somebody while they're running away. If I hit them, they're out. I have a bunch of items. You could pick anything like baseball, tennis ball, potato, egg. It doesn't really matter.
Got it.
Yes.
How do we know who spins? How do we keep track of
It just
that?
goes around in a circle. So I'll start, then whoever's next to me goes.
Are there different things that you're picking? So
Yes.
like one's an egg, one's
Yeah,
a...
it could be anything. Just gotta be throwable. And
But
not
are they
kill
all? I'm
anybody.
saying they're all different throwable things.
Yes,
though.
yes.
That's why.
I just don't have anything else to put there.
That's why you have a spinner.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So for our thing, we were thinking about like if you land on like a certain like number of like checkers, you have to like do some like task on like the card.
Also, you need cards to write down some tasks on. Okay. So why couldn't I just put like a 2 or 3 or something?
Oh yeah. That
So
would-
like,
that
what are
would
the?
make
But
sense.
I like the checkers because like, what if it could change the number that's there, and then it impacted what you had to do, like how many times you had to do it. So y'all talk about that and think about like, why would we want different pieces, and could those pieces change, and how would that affect what's on the cards? Okay.
So we roll the dice, and if we get like, for example,
We just gonna
5,
give him put money.
then we gotta get 5. We gotta get like one of each color, and we get 5, and whoever gets the last cube loses.
The last cube loses. Okay. Why do the colors matter? Okay, well let's think about that. So like maybe there's something like, maybe if you get the last one of that color, then you lose a point or something, and then like the person who loses the most points loses overall. Or something. I don't know. Something to think about, right? Why do the colors matter? And also, are these different from these?
No, that's for the next round.
Oh, the next round? I love it. So what happens in the next round?
So whoever gets the most colors gets to win the game. So you got blue, green, orange, yellow, red, and purple. So whoever wants to roll first. Wait. So okay, so you're gonna put the dice in the middle. And on the count of 1, 2, 3, we can take the dice. Now, when I'm done, say go. 1. Make sure not to knock that over. 2.